Hello everyone! For those who don't know me, my name is Kate and I'm a graphic designer and illustrator. In today's video, I'm going to paint watercolor flower thank you card. I made a free coloring template, so if you are interested, please see the download link below and then make your own special thank you card for your loved one. The first step, we are going to paint the pink peony on the front. By using the tip of the brush, paint the peony petals. Don't be pressured about the shape. Don't be pressured about the shapes. I hope you just enjoyed your painting. In the same way, I'm going to add a little peony right next to the previous one. Next, I'm going to paint Daisy. I mixed the light pink and a little bit of peach. Now I'm going to paint envelope. I mixed the light brown, peach, and a lot of water. Now I'm going to add some greenery. I mixed the dark greens and a little bit of indigo so that it turns out deep greens. It's more natural to mix bright green. Now I'm going to add fillers to fill in the empty space. You can paint berries, wildflowers, anything you want. lastly, by using the pen and colored pencil, add some of details. This card can be purchased by Etsy shop and Creative Market, link in the description. Thank you for watching, and I hope you had fun with my painting. If you like this video, please hit the like and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you again.